SM Fairview lang po. Saan ba kayo?
Sa Baguio po.
Baguio?
Baka pwede hong arkilahin na lang namin kayo.
Hindi, SM Fairview lang eh.
O sige, umalis ka na ho kayo.
O sige na nga, pasok kayo. Punta tayo ng Baguio.
Yes.
So yun na nga mga ka-teammates, 8 years na rin pala kaming di nakabalik sa Baguio. Before, nakapagod ang travel kasi 8 hours ang kailangan mo para lang umakyat sa Baguio. Pero ngayon na maayos na mga daan at may mga expressway na at ang travel was shortened to almost half than what it used to be at very comfortable na yung driving. So yun, we decided to go back this time, especially naglusen ng quarantine protocol. Now, there's no reason not to go back to Baguio. After an hour of driving sa NLEX, we decided to have a breakfast along the way. A late breakfast actually. By the way guys, we started this trip at 11 a.m. from Manila. Supposed to be, we will start at 5 a.m. pero maaga kami darating sa destination. But as usual, the earliest time we woke up was 10 a.m. So ito, papasok na kami sa T-Plex. Hindi talaga kami mga morning persons eh. Okay lang yun guys, kasi pag kami nagta-travel, very spontaneous kami. Hindi kami nagmamadali kasi wala naman kaming hinahabol na time. For us, half of the fun is on the road and another half on the destination. Kaya chill-chill lang. And finally, exit na kami sa T-Plex and mag-start na kaming mag-ascend sa Baguio. We took pala guys Marcos Highway, sabi ni Waze. Then halfway through, nag-start ng umambon kaya medyo basa ng daan. Then may pabugso-bugso ding ulan along the way. Then sobrang naging foggy kaya medyo alalay na kami sa pag-akyat. Finally, nakarating na kami sa Baguio at sa aming hotel. So ang total travel time namin is 4 hours. But I think dapat 3.5 hours lang sana kung di kami mahilig mag-stopover. But di bale, yun naman ang masaya doon. So upon checking in, dumiretso na kami sa aming room. Ito yung quick room tour. This will be our place away from home. The rooms are neat and clean, very accommodating in ambience ng mga room dito. Complete din with all amenities. So it looks comfortable naman. Pero syempre, nothing can beat the comfort of our own homes. But this is the closest scenario we can get. We are a family of 4 and it's a perfect place for all its causes. So yan, after namin mag-refresh, it's time for late lunch. Mga 4 p.m. na ito guys. So nandito na tayo sa Holiday Inn Baguio. Medyo late tayong dumating. At siguro yung dinner natin dito sa hotel will be served later pa. We decided to go out muna and have some local menu. So recommendation nila is Slaughterhouse Balahadia. So we will be going there. Sama kayo ha. Tapos for this afternoon siguro we will not be driving kasi maulan, madulas yung daan. So mag-taxi na lang muna for the transport. So siguro bukas na kami mag-drive kasi medyo madulas yung area. So hindi ako familiar. And pahinga rin from the long trip. Okay, so see you there. Kain tayo ng papaitan. So eto guys, nag-taxi na lang kami papunta sa place. Familiar naman sa mga locals ang place kaya maayos naman kaming nakarating. Hindi lang siya located along the highway kasi need mo pang maglakad ng mga 100 meters bago makarating doon sa restaurant. Yun, may na-meet pa ako na magiging subscriber ko at may pa-endorse pa ha. Natuwa naman ako. Thank you mga kiddos. Sige nga. Hello. Welcome to my vlog. Tim Yong MD. Follow ha, follow. So guys, nandito na kami sa Balahadia. Ayan, ito yung famous na mga beef, authentic beef. Famous nga daw ang place na to. At ayun, nakita din namin si ate ko rin na kumakain. And ito yung mga trinay namin. Dinakdakan, papaitan, sinanglaw, pakbet, chapsuy, higado, adobo, at yung top seller daw nila na bakareta. At syempre, samahan mo pa ng napakalamig na coke, saan ka pa? Yun na nga mga katimates, ubus lahat, pati plato kinain. Bill reveal, oh. Bill reveal. So, total dining experience, I give it an 8/10. Quality standard, this is value for your money and very accommodating staff. And for those who are interested to try this restaurant, it is located at Barangay Santo Niño Plaza. Papasok lang kayo guys sa loob ng gym. Katapat lang ng Santo Niño Flea Market at Lizardo Bus Terminal. And after kumain, naglakad-lakad lang ng konti, then back to the hotel na. And around 9 p.m., bumaba na kami for our dinner. This time, dito kami kakain sa Lamisaan. Lamisaan pala guys is an Ilocano name for table. So we tried their steak and it was great guys. Ang overall dining experience is 9 of 10. Great food and accommodating staff as well. And after dinner, we called it at night. And good night, Baguio. Good morning guys! Now we have our breakfast at the hotel. Today, we will be going out and visiting old places and trying to see if there are a lot of changes that unfolded over the past 8 years or so. It must be a powerful breakfast, so I took a slice of a bit of everything. Cornflakes for that fiber, bread for the energy, bacon, sausages, and eggs for the protein. And of course, fruits for the youthful-looking skin. Snacks, an apple a day keeps the doctor away on vacation. That's kind of you, right? Then back to the room, get showered, get changed, and let's get started. Okay guys, good morning, good afternoon yata. Medyo late kaming nagising na kasi umattend kami ng night market kagabi. So pupunta naman kami ngayon. Medyo okay yung weather. So tignan natin, mamamasyal naman tayo. Yeah. So welcome Baguio, this is Baguio for now. So we are here in Holiday Inn Baguio. So bago kami umalis, well, picture nga muna. Sayang yung background. Okay, ready? Smile. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. So let's start with the driving tour. Galing na pala kami sa ibang spot, kaya lang di na kami bumaba kasi ang daming tao. So, syempre, social distancing pa rin hanggat maaari. Kaya karamihan sa pasyal namin ay driving tour. So, tara, tuloy lang natin. Dito pala guys yung manor ng Camp Janhay. Dito kami madalas dati, kaso lagi silang fully booked lately. So maybe, next time, dito na tayo ulit. Then, nagutom na naman, kaya naghanap na naman kami ng makakainan. Yun yata talaga ang sadya namin dito. Kumain ng kumain, tapos pasyal lang konti, tapos kain-kain na naman. So, dito kami ngayon sa Cafe by the Ruins. Recommendation ito ng kaibigan naming si Dr. Rumbawa na expert na sa places to eat here in Baguio. Ito yung interior at exterior ng place. Very cozy siya and green ang surroundings. Dito sa taas is open kaya mararamdaman mo yung chilly effect ng hangin sa labas. Then we asked for the menu and nagandaan ako kasi may touch ng pagka-culture yung labas niya. The ruins were the remains of a house of an American governor after it was destroyed by the bombs of World War II. This left the house with only 4 concrete arches as the remainder of the governor's house. Then 30 years ago, A bunch of friends who loved to laugh and eat started this place and called it Cafe by the Ruins. But soon again, in 2017, it suffered another tragedy where it got burned down. And today, the Cafe by the Ruins welcomes friends and guests in a new structure while the ruins continue to witness all comings and goings. And true enough, it stands by its name to be a ruin that is worth visiting. And overall experience is 7 out of 10. There were just some menus that did not fit my taste buds, like the native pinikpikan. I know we have different preferences in food, but it was not just for me. The pastries and drinks were one of the best though. It's worth every bite. Then a short walk and witnessed Burnham Park after the sunset, and we ate strawberry and ube flavored taco. We went back to our hotel to have our dinner. This time, we chose the hotel's restaurant again. Lamisaan became our comfort zone for the superb foods they have. Since you have come this far, I would really appreciate if you could subscribe guys. And pahit na rin yung notif bell para sa mga updates ng future vlogs natin. Hit that like as well and can comment down below for your request or story. Let's talk there. And after a little chit-chat, we finally bade goodnight again. See you tomorrow, Baguio. Hello, good morning again, Baguio. This is our last day here, a very short but fun getaway. But later on this afternoon, on our way to Manila, we will be visiting yet another place in Nueva Ecija. There is a farm resort there called Sirmata. We will try the food and at the same time, visit the farm resort vibe of this place. And I hope you can come along with us, guys. And I will be posting on a separate vlog the wonderful experience we will have there. Promise.
Saan kayo?
SM Fairview!
Saan po kayo?
SM Fairview!
SM Fairview, sakto. Doon ang biyahe ko. Pasok na.
So between now and then, see you next time mga ka-teammates. I love you all. Goodbye, and till we meet again, Baguio.